All right. B8.5 SQ5. Do you recommend an upgraded coolant pump with your heat exchanger, or is the factory pump sufficient? What do you think, Nate?
If you're trying to optimize, it would be a good idea to upgrade that as well. If you really want to get the best of it, yeah, the factory pump is sufficient for stage 1, stage 2 stuff, and most situations, even more than that. But if you are getting to the point where you're overcoming that and you need more coolant, more cooling capability, there are pumps out there. The 100, what comes in the car is the, oh my god, my brain, CWR 50.
I was going to ask you. If you know
my acronym fell apart, but it's a 50. It's a 50 series. There's 100, 150. There's bigger pumps out there, and
there's some plug and play ones, right?
Yep. There's kits and stuff out there.
It can't hurt.
I want to say Merc Racing was selling some kits. A bunch of people have put kits together. They come OEM on some of the different Audi models. Some TDIs come with hundreds. But yes, it does help. Yeah, you'll have to define what sufficient is, because Audi thought stock tune was sufficient, so we didn't.